Barbie is a classic toy. It's always fun with her. Penny, you won't believe this. Look at this, a Barbie party. We have to be there. Oh yeah, we can't miss it. What about going to the party in a Barbie van? That would be sensational. Good thing Dad has a car. Just be quiet. The coast is clear. Let's go, sis. Here are the keys. Come on, Penny. Let Daddy rest. And we have a lot of work to do. Here's the prototype of the future camper van. We just have to turn our ideas into reality. Let's see what's inside. It's so spacious. It's like a blank canvas. But soon, this unsightly car will become a work of doll art. And let's start with the walls. Penny, help! This starry wallpaper is the best fit for the Barbie van. It's simple but classy. It looks great. But Jane has another idea. We could decorate the ceiling with pink fabric. This is serious. You have to plan it first. Take the measurements and then cut. That Barbie color is just lovely. We'll put lights on the ceiling. Just attach them to the fabric. It's no big deal. And now we have a disco van. What about the floor? We need a soft rug. The things you can find in Daddy's garage. Put it on the floor and decorate the windows with curtains. And here's the furniture for the van. It has everything you need. I had to take a bunch of stuff out of my room, but the result will be worth it. Are you ready, Penny? Let's add furniture. This will be the seating area. We'll put a stool and a kitchen table here. Barbie likes to cook. You can never have too much pink. Any doll would be jealous if she saw this kitchen. Let's take our best outfits on the road. And we'll put our makeup at the vanity table. We can't show up at the party without makeup. Daddy's van looks so different. Now it's Barbie territory. We did it, sis. The van might be ready for adventure, but we don't look so good. It's time for a makeover. Good thing our closet is here. Wow. And there is so much pink in here. Penny, you are going to look beautiful in this. Oh, I still think getting ready for the party won't be easy, but it's too early to relax. We have to do Barbie makeup. Voila! Our doll outfits are ready. Now let's pick shoes. Which shoes will you choose, Jane? These? How about these? No, sis, I have a better idea. Warm Ugg boots are what we need. Take the glue and the brush. Apply the glue over the shoes. And now, the most interesting part. Spray glitter on top. Don't be shy. The more glitter, the better. Now we need a white ribbon with rhinestones. It goes like this. Awesome! I could go to the Oscars in these shoes. And now let's finish our makeup and work on our hair. My lip gloss was here somewhere. The lips should shine. Penny's hair needs some serious work. Let's make it lavender. A couple of bows and her hair is done. And Jane wants to shine. That's good. Here comes the Barbie jewelry. Now she'll really look like a doll. How about some curls? The toy iron did a great job. Almost done. Now Penny and Jane are ready to party. The outside of the van is no good at all. Orange is so boring. What could we do with it? Get creative. These colorful discs are perfect. And we'll decorate the back with Barbie stickers. There were also colorful flags somewhere. There they are. They should go on the front window. Penny, we have to go. The party won't wait. Let's go. It's a long journey. This is beautiful. What a fun adventure. When you have a camper van, the whole world is your oyster. we make a quick stop? It's time for some colorful selfies. Hashtag Barbie party. Smile, Jane. I wish we could stay here forever. We were off to a great start, but now I am so hungry. Don't panic, Penny. We'll figure it out. Jane is a great baker, and she's going to make delicious cupcakes right in the van. Combine flour and sugar in a bowl. Add an egg and a little milk and some baking powder. Perfect! And now mix it up. Almost done. But let's make the dough even tastier. Add some sprinkles. Now put the cup in the microwave. A couple of minutes will be enough. Here's our Barbie cupcake, but it seems boring without icing, right? Let's fix that. I'm coming, Penny. Woohoo! Enjoy it, sis. Wow, this tastes better than dessert in a restaurant. And here's the best drink to go with it. Hot chocolate. When else will you see such a beautiful sunset? And don't forget to leave a message in the sand. Barbie forever! Woohoo! Penny, let's hurry up! The fun is about to begin! Welcome to the party of the year! Oops! Are we sure we're at the right place? Why is it so depressing in here? And the drinks aren't great! Barbie wouldn't approve! Hey. Hello, everyone! Is this the Barbie party? We're ready to have fun! Fun? No! We haven't heard of that! This isn't going according to plan! Jane, we can still fix this! Follow me! We have the van! It's going to be the center of the party! You'll see! Trust me! Just turn up the music and make your signature cupcakes! We have plenty of balloons in the van! Let's make hot chocolate and marshmallows! We're all set! And even the party palm tree is here! Now call the guests! Guys, get over here! Who would turn down an invitation like that? What a delicious party! Barbie cupcakes are a hit tonight! I just hope I don't freeze to death at this party! But Penny will save everyone from the cold! A pair of warm ears can make you warm and comfortable! For cute ears, you just need a headband and fake fur. Wrap the headband with fur and hot glue the edges. Cut out round pieces out of fur and flannel fabric. Stack them on top of each other and sew them together. Fill the ears with synthetic stuffing. Apply glue on the open edge. And attach them to the headband. It looks so nice. It's cute and warm. Oh, thank you! Now that everyone's warm, should we play? First up, badminton! Barbie's favorite sport! Yay! And we already have a winner! You guys haven't seen our van yet! Welcome! Wow! This place is all pink and fluffy and sparkly! It's like a princess's room! And now let's take a picture to remember! We'll never forget this Barbie party! Did you enjoy our new video? Would you like to go on a trip in a Barbie van? Tell us in the comments. And be sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss new sketches about unusual parties on Troom Select.